I remember when I was a child, my first swimming courses happened at Yangtze River. My father told me how to swim. You can see the bamboo beside the river everywhere. That image just deeply in my memory. Bamboo is such an important part of the landscape and also part of my memory. So this material is really important for my practice, how I can connect my personal identity through this material. You never realize when you are doing something, new thing that come out, memory pattern, or maybe how you use the material, the way you're so different from others. That's just, I think is culturally is quite important for my practice. This studio is located in Richmond. Recently, I moved from my UBC studio. My partner Kai shared the studio with me. It's really nice. I'm working on painting, installations, also like reuse some material from my previous work and use them in a different way, like mixed media painting, sculpture, also on paper, on wood panel. Art making is something connect you deeper identity, also bring some your cultural background. That's make it artists individual is different.